And welcome back to the channel, friends. Today we're going to get on Yoshi's adventure. It seems that today we only have a 10-minute wait. This is one of the most colorful areas of Super Nintendo World, very well themed. The air conditioning inside the queue is very good. They've done a marvelous job with keeping us entertained while we're waiting to get on the ride on the days where the queue is going to be longer than 10 minutes. There are plenty of water fountains along the way. Definitely a family-friendly attraction. Team members on this ride were very accommodating, making sure that everyone was comfortably seated as the ride does not stop whilst loading and unloading. Incredible views from this ride over the entire Super Nintendo area. Lots of animations and bright colors. It's almost like being in Super Mario World on your own. Lots of animated features inside and out on this particular ride. They've done a wonderful job bringing all of this to life for everyone to enjoy. A nice slow-moving ride to relax you during your day at Super Nintendo World in Epic Universe. As we leave this particular attraction, we get to see even more of the wonderfully themed areas that they have created for us to keep us immersed in Super Nintendo World. All of the team members were really helpful, making sure that we found our way in and out of the attraction with little to no hassle at all. Wonderful place. Definitely want to come back as many times as I can.